Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Meta Business Suite in order for us to schedule Instagram Reels. So if you are wondering how to use the Meta Business Suite in order for you to schedule Instagram Reels, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to proceed with doing this is to go ahead and launch the Meta Business Suite. And you also need to go ahead and connect your specific Facebook page to the Instagram application. Now, there will be an option for you to do that, especially if you haven't done that already, because once you open your Facebook Meta Business Suite, you will have the option to confirm your connection with Instagram so that you could also manage content, ads, and insights, messages and comments, and settings and permission. All we need to do is to proceed with confirming the connection so that we could also post from the Meta Business Suite on our Instagram as well. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just skip this real quick for the sake of this tutorial, because it's going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to tap on this plus icon over here and then tap on Reels. Now, since we want to go ahead and schedule some Reels, let's go ahead and choose specific Reels and photos from our Photos application. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just use the camera option to record a quick video. So I'm going to go ahead and record a quick video right now, and this is going to be good for me. I'm going to tap on the next option, and there will be an option for you guys to post on the Instagram application as well, especially if you have those two linked together right here. Now, all we need to do is to proceed with choosing the Instagram application as well as we post this to our Facebook page, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.